This green mask gave me an instant glow. My skin went from dull to glowing like glass in minutes. For weeks, my skin felt tired. You know that feeling when your mirror stares back at you and tell you the truth? That was me. I remember that deep green powder that smells like the ocean but works like a miracle, whether eaten or used topically. Welcome to Rachel Etta TV. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. The green powder, spirulina. Spirulina is a superfood for your skin, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, amino acids that detoxify, fight acne, and brighten dull skin. So I will put a teaspoon into the bowl. You don't need to waste it because it's just for my face and neck. Let me tell you, this is one face mask I don't joke with. The instant result is what gets me. You'll be glowing like in minutes, and then it will tighten your skin. Next, I poured in some aloe vera gel, nature soothing healer. It soothes irritation, boosts collagen, hydrate and locks in moisture. Now it's time to mix. The mixing here is tactical. You have to mix it very well because both of those ingredients together I had to mix because there is no water inside. There are two ways I do this. If you're on my channel, you would find out the other way. This, I wanted that quick bounce back. That is why I did this like this. Now I add in some rose water. Rose water balances the skin pH, refreshes dull skin, firm tone, and give that natural dewy glow. When they combine together, my goodness, you are in for a glorification. I got that right? Glorification. Yeah, so you mix and mix and mix until everything is, dissolved, and then before you apply this. Also, the rose water is going to help this other two ingredient, that's the spirulina and the aloe vera gel, to kind of loosen up easily because rose water is more liquidy. Now I'm done with the mixing. It's time to apply it all over my face and neck. Okay, now let's dig in because I know I'm just ready to get my glow back when Rachel got her glow back. You see what I did there? Another thing about this mask that I love is how it tightens your skin. Look at my under eyes. You see that skin that you're looking at right now. Instantly it will just pull it back. The way it pulls out the impurities on your skin is what is really, really shocking and beautiful. Like God did a number on this one. So I will apply that all over my face and neck, including under my eyes, because I need to get that puffiness, out. I need to tighten that puffiness. Because if there is one thing I know this mask does really well is drawing out the impurities. Don't you love nature? Don't you love things that are natural and actually works? Because sometimes it seems like things that are natural are hard to work. They are the best. But sometimes you feel like, oh, they're not working as fast as those, harmful stuff that are out there. But you see this very max. Instantly, you will feel it's like magic. You will feel it. The moment this mask came in contact with my skin felt instantly cool and alive, like it was drinking nutrients. The smell earthy but calming, like nature's spa. Like, I really like the smell. To be honest, that might sound weird, but I really love the smell. It has this weird, earthy kind of smell, but I love it. I didn't, that the smell is like of cherry on top for me. I enjoyed it so, so much. So I'll keep applying that all over the face and neck because that is where it is needed. Now, a quick one. If you don't have rose water in the house, you can use your ordinary drinking water. But it has to be your drinking water, water that is filtered and it is pure for drinking. So I'm going to wait for 20 minutes for it to dry and also do the work that it was contracted for before washing it. So let's wait 20 minutes and then I'll see you. Okay, be prepared to wow. Oh my goodness, did you see that? Look at the switch. I know a lot of people looking at me might think I am wearing some makeup. I am not wearing any makeup. No makeup whatsoever. The only thing I know I did was apply lip balm. The lip balm that I have on my channel, you can go and watch that video. That's all that I apply. Boom, only lip balm, nothing else, nothing else. Like that is the glow. Then look at my under eyes. I did you see that immediate transformation? Can you look at my under eyes? Did you see? Oh my goodness, you're not saying this. Anyway, for some people who will still doubt, the doubting Thomases, I'm going to wipe my face clean for you to see that I don't have makeup. This is just natural glow from nature. This is all spirulina glow. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Oh, are you not seeing that wiping on, swiping on my skin? Okay, so yeah, yeah, for you all to know, I don't have any makeup on. Nothing. Nothing whatsoever. I had to bring it closer for you to see. Nothing. Spirulina did that, and you should try it. When you try it, you would be so happy with your skin. Honestly, I'm so loving this glow. Let me shift before I catch some bad energy. Oh, please, come on. I'm kidding. Don't mind me. Okay. I goof around like that sometimes. Kisses. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next